Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate your Pluxee card. To start, open any browser on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type Activate Pluxee card and press Enter. From the search results, click on the first link that appears. This link will take you to the official Pluxee card activation page. Once the page opens, you will see 3 fields that need to be filled in. The first field asks for your registered email or mobile number. Here, you should enter the email address or phone number that you used when registering your Pluxee account. In the second field, you will need to enter your card reference number. You can find this number printed on your Pluxee card. Type it exactly as it appears without adding any spaces or extra characters. The third field on the page is for the CAPTCHA. This is a security step to confirm that you are a real user. You will see a few letters or numbers displayed next to the CAPTCHA field. Carefully type them in the box provided. If the text is not clear, you can refresh the CAPTCHA and get a new one. After you have filled in all 3 fields correctly, click on the button that says Get Activation Code. The system will now send an activation code to your registered email address or mobile number. Open your email or check your phone messages to find the code. After verifying the code, your Pluxee card will be successfully activated and ready to use. Thanks for watching.